Sanibonani. Yeah. Yo, bafazi, I'm so happy ukuthi ngikhonile ukuza naphelela. Mos, it's my job as a head of a society that I should make sure ukuthi things are going on point, yabo. Yeah, bafazi. Athi ngihlale phansi. Yeah, bafazi. Sure manje yini lo? Ijacket kamalume. Bafazi. Umalume phela usebenza emayini. So mina vele ku society angikhiphi next. Ngenzela umalume show izinto eziningi. But then asiyeke le yakamalume yabo. Guys, as you know ukuthi besibambene kahle kulonyaka lo ya, but I think this time kuzoba mnandi bafazi. Yeah, bafazi. So like into ezoyenzeka manje ukuthi ngizo-add usisi wami. That's why I'm saying kuzoba mnandi because makukhona yena everything iba nge-order yabo. Yeah, guys, usisi wami yilo ongilamayo uJumaima yabo, abantwana bami bambiza ngo-Aunt Jumaima. Yeah, bafazi. Yeah, so ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi simlindeni just ama few seconds nyana yabo. Alright, bafazi akunainkinga. Alright, kanti lo akafika usisi wakho because sishaya isikhathi mfazi. Shaya isikhathi. Sanibonani. Yebo. Yeah, bafazi, ngiyaxolisa like ukuniladelisa. Before siye ekudeni, uJumaima lona, ngiyacabanga usisi wami sekanitshelile ngaye, but you can call me Jumamzo. Yeah. Okay guys, mina ke ngizokhuluma ngisukumile because they say if you talk while standing, everything makes sense. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, that's true. Another thing guys ukuthi ubani ozophatha imali and who's gonna be the head of society yabo. But as I'm standing guys, you don't have any time to choose because already I'm the one who's standing, right? Yeah, bafazi. So yinenye futhi singayikhuluma. Yeah, bafazi, it's a lot. What else am I missing? Yeah. I think amabhuku we-society ahlala kusisi mos. Sisi kuzomele unginikeze amabhuku cause I'm in charge now. Angithi bafazi? Yeah, bafazi. Bafazi, another thing, I think kuzomele sivumelane yabo. If I ask something like you have to say yes. We understand so that I can know ukuthi siyavumelana ngalento esisho. So if abanye bashake amakhanda, I don't know what does that mean because right now I'm the one who's standing. So you guys gonna hear with me. We understand. So let us participate bafazi. Maningabi dumb. Kanti kwenzakalana sikhulumeni bafazi. Bafazi, before ngiyivala i-society, I think kuzomele sihlaleni phansi just 5 minutes, 2 minutes nyana sicocini, share ama-ideas nokuthi amadoda aphathwa kanjani bafazi. Uyabo? Yo, bafazi, like it was nice to be with you, bafazi. You guys are so cool. Niyakwazi ukumamela umuntu without interrupting. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi ngithini. So bafazi, asicoceni phela sazanini as ngihlala phansi yabo. Yo. Hayi sisawuthini ngoba usisi wakho mkhozi. Silawulwa yini? Mara mkhozi. Nami bengazi. Yo, breathe in bafazi, like breathe in. Nathola kangaka like asikhulumeni bafazi. Sithini izindaba? Mususisera ngathi yakwazi ukukhuluma. Sisiza nazo sithini izindaba? Hayi sicoceni bafazi, vele sothola sithini. Yeah, sicoceni sisi hawu. Abangani bakho. Yo mkhozi, ngani? Jumaima. Mtasekhaya. Hayi angisanitsheli bafazi lo baba ngapha ngistofederi uyangishela just imagine. Hayi wena. Mdala lo baba yazi bafazi. Mdala ngiyacabanga ulapho ma 60 something. Just imagine mina I'm 31. Oh hayi. Singafa she. Hayi kanti nawe uyakushela. Hayi nami nithi ngiyothenga isinkwa lapha eMandiyeni ngishayela iflate. Angazi ke la yimi ubonana. Hayi mshuthi uthanda amantombazana. Vele uyobonana lapho kunomlomo ongaka. Hayi wayenza ngathi lo wakho ungcono. Hayi mina ngicela ungijwayele kabi. Futhi besithulile all along doesn't mean kumele usigibele enhloko. Angiphapheli mina. Ngicela ukuzela usisi wakho. Hayi shem Jumaima yekelana ukulwa. Ngikhuze shem. Hayi sisi mina nguJumaima kayi1 ke nami ungangijwayeli kabi. Yeah ngiyakuzwa bhadekelana ukulwa ke. Hayi angijwayeli kabi lo sisi. Ngamhlaba nyenye impama awe manje mina. Yo sophaphelwa umuntu bo. Hayi bafazi ngcono sambeni ngoba ngathi lento iba serious. Hayi hayi mngani uqinisile shem bangaze bashaye nathi esinnocent. Cabanga pretty face engaka senginezikhala. Yo sambeni shem. Baba yini bafazi? Hayi bye nalo sisi wakho. Uyambo? Hayi Jumaima hawu. Nangu lo baba bengitshela ngaye. Mara naye. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're approaching 1K on YouTube. Just go to YouTube and search Chisma French, then subscribe. Otherwise, thank you for liking and sharing my videos. Don't forget to follow Manje. Which is Melrose Chisma French, the influencer of transformation, not the rejected one, but the chosen one. One in the quadrant for platinum, Jubilee Manje Bona. Tanko.